Did you know that we at Schaeffler produce enough green electricity in 1 year to supply a small town? I'm Bauer, Global Energy and Project Manager, and I'm responsible for the expansion of renewable energies at Schaeffler. Sustainability is a key component of our corporate principles and our strategic direction. Our goal is to reduce climate-relevant emissions from our production by 90% by 2030 compared to 2019. An important part of this commitment is generating our own electricity from renewable sources. As part of our global own green electricity generation program, we are expanding renewable energies at our sites worldwide. I'm excited to share a recent project we completed at our campus in Erlangen. In mid-2024, we successfully installed 2 rooftop photovoltaic systems with a total capacity of almost 1 megawatt peak, making the optimum use of around 4,500 square meters of roof space. The annual electricity production corresponds to the power consumption of around 280 single-family homes, which makes an important part of our decarbonization strategy. And this is just one of many projects. Thanks to our global program, we have increased the installation of photovoltaic systems at our locations worldwide in recent years. So by the end of 2024, we will have installed our own photovoltaic systems with a total capacity of 32 megawatt peak at 25 locations. At Schaeffler, we are not just imagining a sustainable future, we are actively creating it. Together, we are building a better world for the future generation.